Hey yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Vishwesh and today we're gonna be talking about this bad boy. So guys, last month I had published a video regarding the review of this very silencer, which is the genuine K Indori silencer, and all of you gave it such an immense response, so much of love and appreciation, for which I am thankful and really grateful to all of you. But there was this constant question that kept on rising, that you guys all kept on asking, that Vishwesh, how do we actually identify that the K Indori silencer that we are planning to buy or we have already purchased is actually the genuine K Indori? And if you ask me guys, this is actually a very understandable question, because in India there is no one fixed manufacturer who makes the genuine K Indoris. There are a lot of manufacturers who make the genuine K Indoris, and then there are those idiots who actually end up making counterfeit fake products. So today I am going to give you 3 basic characteristics of a genuine K Indori that will help you to identify the silencer that you have bought is the genuine one or not. So without any further delay, let's take a look at those 3 characteristics. So alright guys, the first characteristic of a genuine K Indori is that it has baffles. This thing is actually a filtered silencer. Unlike all the other silencers that are available in the market, K Indori is the only silencer that has filters, and they are not 1, not 2, but 3 baffles. Just like the original RE exhaust, this one comes with filters. So how can you actually identify if the silencer that you have bought or are about to purchase has filters? Well guys, the easiest way to find that out is that you can look through one side of this silencer just like you would through a hollow tube, and in case you can see through it directly, that means that thing is definitely not a genuine K Indori silencer. That thing might be a short bottle or something dubious with a glass or glass wool or maybe a ceramic wool inside, but that thing is definitely not the genuine K Indori, because due to the filters that are aligned in a S-shaped bend, you will not be able to see across this silencer because it will block the line of sight. Hence, that is the first and the definitive characteristic of a genuine K Indori. Those filters actually give it that signature thump and bass that we all love so much. So make sure your filtered silencer is K Indori and it has all those filters that I've just told you. Point number 2. Point number 2 is this clamp. As you can see, the genuine silencer actually has 2 clamps. One is fitted over here, the other one goes right over here under the foot peg. But the genuine K Indori comes with one single clamp, and it fits directly under this foot peg right over here. And this clamp is welded to the body, unlike other silencers which actually have this bolted. So this is a signature feature of the genuine K Indori. And the other thing that is that if you look closely, right over here on this very clamp, the word K Indore or the word K Indori is actually hard pressed on the metal surface itself. It's not painted, it's hard pressed. So make sure this second characteristic, this second feature is also available and there on the silencer that you're going to buy, because that is a definitive feature of a genuine K Indori. Alright guys, talking about the third feature, well, this third feature is actually quite dubious and controversial, because most people out there would say that a genuine K Indori should actually have this sentence for Royal Enfield, written right over here. But that is not always the case, because if you ask me, earlier when there was not so much of digital media, the influence was not so much there, things were easy. But now when any brand that is actually registered with the government of India or is a seller who's selling on an e-commerce website like Amazon or Flipkart cannot afford to get into a legal tussle with the mighty Royal Enfield itself, because Royal Enfield has definitely not given any seller or brand the rights to use their logo or symbols. Hence, you will not find for Royal Enfield written on any modern day K Indori silencer. It is obviously replaced by the brand's initials or their logos, or they might not write anything at all. Or sometimes you can find those what can I say, some gibberish like for Royal England or for Royal Rider and all those various funny permutation and combinations, but definitely not the for Royal Enfield would be there. Mine has it because I have got it from the local market. In case you get lucky, you might find it over there, but that is not a definitive feature of a genuine K Indori. So don't neglect or don't pass on to a genuine K Indori in case it doesn't feature this for Royal Enfield written on it. If it has the first and the second characteristic, it is the genuine silencer. Take my words on it and you can buy it without any doubts. So guys, that was all for today's video. Hope you liked my video. In case you did, make sure you like, share and subscribe. As for following me on social media, you can follow me here, as well as here. And that was all for today. See you guys in the next. Till then, peace.